So yesterday we have discussed about aggregate functions. Now we will discuss about Windows functions, date functions, and condition expressions. So Windows functions. So these are the Windows functions: cumulative distance, dense rank, first value, lag, last value, lead, entile, nth value, percent rank, row number. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. So for discussing about all these concepts, we need one table like employee table. Then only we can understand easily. So select star from EMP. Okay. First, row number. Row number is used to generate the serial number dynamically. I mean, at query level, it will generate serial number, not table level. What happened? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Number. So it requires order by class. It is mandatory. See. So it will generate serial number for each and every record. Okay. So in this, you can write partition by also. Partition by department number. If I write partition by department number, then it will generate the serial number for department wise. Okay. See. For department number 10, it will generate the serial number 1, 2, 3. Again, department number 20, serial number starts from 1. Again, for department number 30, serial number starts from 1. Like that. If you don't use the partition by class, then it will generate the serial number for each and every record, irrespective of any other column, like department number. Okay. So that is about row number. And rank. So same syntax. So just I am copy and paste it. So rank over and here I am giving alias name rank number. See. Okay, so this is rank number. If you give order by salary, then what will happen? So rank will be assigned for each and every record. And if same salary is allocated for multiple records, same rank will be assigned. And one rank, how many times that rank will be repeated, that number should be deleted. I mean that number should be ignored. Okay, so here 1250 salary is 1250. Okay, it is coming for multiple times, 2 times. That's why fifth rank is missed. Okay, so then again rank is allocated from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again 3000 salary is coming for twice. That's why 13 is skipped. Okay, so ranks are skipped whenever that whatever the column is mentioned in order by class. So in that column will have multiple, we will have duplicates, then some ranks will be skipped. Okay, so same function but slight difference. Dense rank. So in this dense rank, ranks will not be skipped, even though if we have duplicate values also. Okay, so here 1250 is coming for twice, even though it is coming for twice. Next rank starts from 5 only. Okay, and you can observe this 3000 is coming for twice, but ranks are not skipped. Okay, so here generally this rank function kind of thing we will use for giving the ranks for students. Okay, so that is the real-time example, student ranks, MSET ranks, like that. And next, cumulative distance distribution, not distance. So cumulative distribution, you can give employee number, yes. See here, some value is assigned to each and every record. Distribution. Okay, so what will be the formula? Select 1.0 divided by 14.0. See, and see, these are the values. Now, see this. See, for first record, the value is assigned, like this value is assigned. Second record, this value is assigned. Third record, 0.214. This value is assigned. So this is the formula. So cumulative distribution means, see this, return the relative rank of the current row. So formula is current record number divided by total number of records. Okay, so please give the floating point numbers, otherwise you will not get this kind of result. Okay, while understanding this cumulative distribution, so please give this floating point numbers only. If you give 1 divided by 4, then simply it will return 0. Okay, so this is cumulative distribution. So formula is total current rank number divided by total number of records. Next one, first value. Returns a value evaluated against the first row within its partition. So underscore value and order by employee number. First value. First value of cell. See, so here you can observe that in this column, the first value of the record salary 800 that will be assigned to all records. Okay, that is the purpose of first value. If I use partition by class here, then you can observe the output. Sorry, DEPT number. So I'm going to partition the records according to the department wise. See, for this department number 10, the first salary is 2,440. It will be applied for all department number 10 records. For department number 20, the first salary is 800. Okay. So, and I can do the modification like this, order by salary. Then see this. In department number 10, the smallest salary is, first salary is 1,300. So order by salary means records will be ordered according to the salary in ascending order. Okay. So the first salary of the department number 10 employees 1,300. So that 1,300 will be assigned to all department number 10 employees. So what will be the first salary of department number 20? 800. It will be applied for all department number 20 records. Like that, department number 30, 950 is the first salary. Okay. So first salary is nothing but small salary. Okay. So if you give here descending, then it will be in reverse. See, what will be the highest salary for department number 10? 5,000. What will be the highest salary for department number 20? 3,000. It will be repeated for all department number 20 records. So department number 30, 2,850. Okay. And last salary, last value. So last value, and here we should write range between. So if you don't write, see the output. So see, whatever the salary column, same column will be the output. Okay. So this syntax is not enough to get the last value output. So for this, we need to use range between unbounded preceding thing 1E, yes, and unbounded following. So we should use this syntax. See, here what will be the last value of department number 10? That is 5,000. So that will be repeated for all department number 10 values. And coming to the department number 20, 2,975, not 2,975, 3,000. 3,000 will be the repeated. So like that, 2,850. Okay, so this is about last value. So we need to use this syntax to get the last value kind of output. Next, lead and lag functions. So lead means return a value evaluated at the row that is offset rows after the current row within the partitions. So lead, you can, yes, lead, salary, and you can use partition by also. So here lead, value. See, I didn't mention anything here, lead of salary. That's it. I didn't mention any value after salary. Okay. That's why it is displaying next record salary value at current row. Okay. So you can observe that. See here at this row, salary value is 5,000 and next record salary value is 3,000. Okay. That salary value will be displayed at current row. Okay. Like that. You can observe fourth record. Here, present salary value is 2,975. Next salary value is 2,850. That will be displayed against present record. Present record. Okay. So that is lead. If I mention here lead salary of 2, then you can observe the output. For this record, from here, what will be the second record salary value? 3,000. Okay, 3,000. You can observe at this point. From here, what will be the second record salary value? First record salary value is 2,975. Second record salary value is 2,850. That will be displayed here. Okay, so that is the logic of here. See, lead of salary comma 2. Okay, if I mention here 3, then from current record, what will be the third record salary value? That will be displayed. Okay, so at last 2 records, if you mention 2 here, last 2 records will be having null. Why? Because after this, there is no records. Okay, so same thing you can lag value. Same thing you can apply for lag. Sorry, salary see.
Say lag.
Sorry, lag. See, at this point, lag value is 5,000. Okay, and at this point, lag value is 3,000. Why? Because lag of salary comma 2. Okay, it will go backward direction. Okay, from here, next previous 2 records salary value. Okay, so that is lag value. Next one is n-tile. Divide rows in a partition as equally as possible and assign each row an integer starting from 1 to the argument value. Okay, so same thing. N-tile of I will apply to it will partition all records based upon the given number. If I give 2, then 14 divided by 2. Okay, first 7 records will be considered as partition 1. Next 7 records will be considered as partition 2. Okay, if you give 3, then here 3 partitions, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is n-tile. Next one is nth value. So nth value means return a value evaluated against the nth row in an ordered partition. Select nth value of Sixth. If I give 6, then it will display 1300. Okay. So what will be the sixth value? Sixth salary value that will be displayed in this output. That is nth value. So return a value evaluated against the nth row in an ordered partition. Okay. So I didn't use partition class here. Okay. So if you want to use, you can use partition by department number. Then if I give 2 here, then in each partition, what will be the second salary value that will be displayed across the partition. So here in department number 10, second value is 2450. That will be displayed for all records. Like that 20. So 20 second value is 1100. 30 second value is 1250. Okay. So that is nth value. Next one is percent rank. So percent rank means return the relative rank of the current row. Okay. So formula is rank minus 1 divided by total rows minus 1. Percent. You can, yes. Percent rank. See, formula is rank minus 1. For this record, 1. Rank is 1. So 1 minus 1 divided by total number of records minus 1. So 30. Okay. So select 0. So this is the formula for first record. Okay. For getting second record, 1.0 to 2.0 minus 1 divided by 13. Third record 3.0 and better to have 0.0. 3.0 minus 1 divided by 13.0. Okay. So this is the first 3 records percent value. So 0 here. Now you can check the output. So first value is 0, second value is 0.07, third value is 0.15. Okay. So like that, percent rank will be assigned for all records. Last value that will be 1 only. Why? Because 14 minus 1 divided by 13. So that will be 1. And is there anything pending? No. Okay. So this is about window functions.